This is Persephone's first time having kitty nip. Magic had a little bit and walked away. She's over there. Magic, come on. You don't want any? You don't want none? These two are pretty funny though. Especially Vulcan. Vulcan. These two should be interesting. Yep, there she goes. I'm Cuckoo. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Vulcan is cracking me up. Vulcan! He's like, let's play. Oh. Oh, she's so cute, isn't she? Look how little she is. See how he lays like right in the pile and rolls around in it. He's like full of catnip. She's feeling it now. Oh boy, this is gonna be a fun day. She's all silly. These two are great. Uh-oh. They're just so goofy from the kitty nip. Magic is looking at these guys like, what in the world? Huh, Madge? What are they doing? She's just gonna lay in all the junk. She's like 15 now. He's 14 and she's 5 months. My floor is a mess. Oh well, I'll sweep it up. Whatever they don't use. You guys are so silly. Ow, Jude. That looks like it hurts. WWE kitty style. Uh-oh. You're beating up the old man. So yeah, this is my days when, you know, the kids are in school or everybody's sleeping. Give the kitties a kitty nip and watch them wrestle and fight. Magic is all annoyed. Look at her. WWE. Body slam. Head kick. Oh, there they go. Alright guys. Just wanted to do a little cat update. Because, you know, gotta show off the cats. Because they're funny and cute. Alright, talk to y'all later.